right, today we're going to replace this rusted chase cover. So the first thing that we need before we can get a chase cover made is the proper measurements. So what you need is a tape measure, pad, paper, and a pen. So the first measurement we're going to do is take the lengthwise. And this measures 64.5 inches. The other thing we want to do is check the other side in case one side's longer than the other. So we're going to measure this side over here. And it's 64 3/4. So we're going to take the longest side and use that as our measurement. (64 3/4). We're going to do the same thing on the width. 29 and 28.5. So we're going to use 29 for the width. Okay. The next measurement we got to figure out is what the hole's going to be on this chase cover. This hole, the diameter of this. To figure that out, we got to take some measurements. The first one is this, which comes out at 7 3/4. And then the back side. Is also 7 3/4. The next measurement we need is this one right here. And that comes out at 25.5. Let's check this one over here. 25 3/4. All right, so here's the measurement. Take a look at it. That's what we need to figure out what the center hole is. So to figure out the center hole, we're going to take this minus this minus this, and that's going to equal our center hole there. So let's double check here. Okay, we took 64 3/4 minus 25 3/4 minus 25.5. That equals 13.5. You also want to check the width, which is going to be 29 minus 7 3/4 minus 7 3/4 also equals 13.5. So we are good there. And now we'll send this in and get the chase cover made. And here's the new beautiful chase cover with the enhancer on it. And she's a beauty.